Ever wondered how scientists use dialysis tubing to simulate cell membranes? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to prepare a dialysis bag for your science experiment. Whether you're studying osmosis, diffusion, or molecular transport, this simple setup is key to understanding how molecules move across membranes. So grab your materials and let's get started.
We'll need a pair of scissors, water, and dialysis tubing. So this is not tape, but this is dialysis tubing. It is a clear, very thin film of plastic. I'll go ahead and unroll about a foot. Okay. I will go ahead and cut it. And it looks exactly like tape, but it is not sticky. Now, believe it or not, this is a baggie. So I will show you how to open it up. You will damp one of the edges or one of the corners with water, just like this. And when you wet it, you will see that now it feels a little bit flimsy. So I want you to try this technique as if you were going to open a grocery bag. You're going to rub your fingers on the edge, and you should start feeling as if the tape will open up. Okay, maybe it needs a little bit of more water. Let me keep it in there for a couple of seconds. Okay, let's try again. There we go. So I will show you now that the baggie is open. And you just gently keep on opening the bag. You see now we have a little nice open baggie. Okay, this is awesome. So one side of the tube is open, the other side is still closed. So what I will do here is I will also get it wet so it will become flimsy, flexible, and I will close it up. I want to make a knot, like I'm closing a grocery bag, just like so. Very, very tight. So I got one end closed and the other end open. And now I can go ahead and pour water through here. Now we want to be very careful when we do that. First, we want to make sure that we open the whole baggie. Okay. So I will try to pour some water very gently. And you will see that it will go all the way to the bottom. There we go. And so you could keep on putting more water in the baggie. So we want to make sure we have a nice baggie full of water. You can use a funnel, you can use a pipette, you can use many different items to pour water in here. I just do it directly from the beaker. And I'm going to close the baggie. And so now you have your baggie of water. Okay. Ready to go. You could cut this end up. Now you have your little dialysis tubing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.